Early cardiac arrest. Stay informed, save lives. A visually appealing animation of a heart beating. Host, energetic and friendly. Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss a critical topic that affects many lives: early cardiac arrest. Did you know that it's one of the leading causes of death in India? But don't worry, because knowledge is power. By understanding the signs and taking quick action, we can save lives. So, let's dive right in. First, let's understand what early cardiac arrest is. Early cardiac arrest occurs when the heart suddenly stops functioning, leading to loss of consciousness and absence of a pulse. It can happen to anyone, regardless of age or gender. But recognizing the signs and acting fast can make all the difference. Transition to a split screen showing the host on one side and animated visuals depicting common symptoms on the other. The most common symptoms of early cardiac arrest are chest discomfort, shortness of breath, sudden fatigue, dizziness, and pain in the arm, neck, or jaw. Remember, these symptoms may vary from person to person, so it's crucial to stay vigilant and trust your instincts. Cut to a close-up shot of the host holding a smartphone. Now, let me share some crucial steps you can take to save a life during an early cardiac arrest. These simple actions can make a significant impact. Step 1. Call for help. The first thing to do is to call for emergency medical assistance immediately. In India, dial 112 or the local emergency number without any delay. Step 2. Start CPR. While waiting for medical help to arrive, begin cardiopulmonary resuscitation, commonly known as CPR. If you're unfamiliar with CPR, don't worry. I'll provide a quick summary. Cut to an animation showing hands-on chest compressions. Host, voiceover. Place the heel of your hand on the center of the person's chest, interlock your fingers, and start pressing hard and fast. Aim for a rate of around 100 to 120 compressions per minute until help arrives. Step 3. Use an automated external defibrillator, AED. If an AED is available nearby, use it as instructed. These devices can help restore the heart's rhythm by delivering an electric shock. Many public places, like malls and airports, have AEDs accessible to the public. Step 4. Continue CPR until professional help arrives. Keep performing CPR until professional medical help arrives. Your quick actions can make a tremendous difference in increasing the chances of survival. Cut to the host holding a pamphlet or infographic. Host, remember, early cardiac arrest is a medical emergency that requires immediate attention. To help spread awareness,